Hello, my name is Roland Enns, and I'm with Enzo's Seasonings. And today I'm going to introduce you to our seasoning, Cattleman's Choice. It's a seasoning that I put together primarily for steak, but it can be used on any meats that require salt, pepper, and garlic. And this seasoning is made with smoked sea salt, black pepper, and mild garlic. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a little steak real quick. I'm not telling you how to make steaks. You know how to do it, but there's only three things that you have to know about doing a steak. And that's the quality of meat, the sear, and the internal temperature. And we're going to sear the steak on top of the oven, and then we're going to finish it off in the oven at 425 degrees. Today we're going to use a ribeye. It's about 20 ounces. And it's approximately 1.25 inches thick, and what I've done is I've seasoned it only on one side, and what we're going to sear the unseasoned side, and then we'll turn the meat over. And there's a reason for that is that if you put the seasoned side onto the hot skillet, the first thing that's going to happen is that your seasoning is going to be burned. And today I'm using clarified butter as our oil source. Remember that the sear is the taste of the steak. You can take the time to put a little sear on the edge of the steak if you wish. And this is an uneven steak, so it's going to be difficult to get the whole thing, but we can get a little bit of taste into the fat on the side of the steak. At this point, we're going to take the pan, we're going to put it in the oven. Our oven's 425 degrees, and we're going to let it cook for about 6 minutes. It all depends, and what we're looking for is the internal temperature to be somewhere around 125 degrees. Our ideal temperature is, when we get ready to serve this, is 135 degrees. So we'll try to get it out of the oven at 125 degrees, but that's kind of a crapshoot when you're cooking like this. You just have to stay on top of the game. We've had the steak in the oven for 6 minutes. So let's take a look at it, see what we've put together. This is our steak. Let's see what kind of a temperature we got in it. Actually, we've kind of overdone it a little bit. Let's just add a little butter onto the top of the steak. Then we're going to plate it, and we'll open it up and see what we got, even at the temperature that we have at 140 degrees, which we've got now. There we go. And let's take a slice out of it. With that, 140 degrees, that meat is perfect on the inside. So thank you for watching, and again, this is Roland Enns with Enzo's Seasonings, and we appreciate you watching our videos, and look for us online on Facebook, and here's to your health, California wine. You can't beat it.